ऑफ हेलो स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ सिक्स्थ स्टैंडर्ड। चलिए अब हम लेसन फोर्थ जो है साइंस का डिज़ास्टर मैनेजमेंट उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखेंगे। तो इसे स्टार्ट करने के पहले मैं आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहती हूँ कि यदि अभी तक आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। सब्सक्रिप्शन के लिए कोई चार्जेस या फीस नहीं है, इसलिए आप इसे प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए। और जिन्हें आप शेयर करते हैं उन्हें भी बताइए कि वो भी इसे सब्सक्राइब करें, जिससे आने वाले आपके जो भी वीडियोस हैं और लेसन्स के और सब्जेक्ट्स के उसे आप फॉलो कर सकें। चलिए क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट देखेंगे। व्हाट आर द इमरजेंसी कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। इसमें ए है पुलिस कंट्रोल रूम जिसका नंबर है 100। सेकंड है फायर ब्रिगेड 101। एम्बुलेंस है 102। नेशनल लेवल सिंगल इमरजेंसी नंबर फॉर डिज़ास्टर रिलीफ है 108। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट फर्स्ट एड विल यू प्रोवाइड इन द फॉलोइंग सिचुएशन। फर्स्ट है डॉग बाइट, तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे। फर्स्ट एड, वॉश द वुंड विद अ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट और अदर एंटीसेप्टिक। Cover the wound with a clean and dry cloth. Get a doctor's help and an injection of the anti-rabies vaccine. देखिए मैंने ये सारा जो भी हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखेंगे तो लेसन एक्सप्लेन करते हुए मैंने आपको ये सारे कंसेप्ट्स क्लियर किए हुए हैं। तो आप लेसन को ज़रूर सुने और ज़रूर एक्सप्लेनेशन देखें, जिससे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आपको अच्छी तरह से समझ में आएंगे। Second is scratches या bleeding. If a person is bleeding, first make him sit or lie down comfortably. Keep the bleeding part of the body above the level of the heart and clean it with water. Third is burns, scalds. The injured part should be washed with water or held under water. Give the victim water to drink. Clean the wound using a cotton swab soaked in an antiseptic solution. Do not apply oily ointments. Cover wounds using dry dressings. Fourth is snake bite. Wash the wound with water. Give emotional support to the patient. Tie a cloth tightly above the wound. Get immediate medical help. Next is sunstroke. Take the patient to a cool place or in the shed. Sponge the whole body with cold water. Place a cloth soaked in cold water on the neck. Give plenty of water or liquids like sherbet to drink. If the patient feels like vomiting, make him lie prone, that is, on his or her abdomen with the head turned to one side. Get medical help or shift the patient to a hospital. Now question third, write the causes of the following. हमें कारण बताना है। First है floods. When there is excessive rains in the same place in a short span of time, then a river may overflow its banks. In cities, water drainage system falls short, the gutters or drainage lines are choked. This results in overflow of water on the roads and surrounding areas. It may also enter the houses. Floods are caused in this way. Next is forest fires. A forest fire is an uncontrolled fire in a forest, pasture or grassland due to natural or man-made causes. Forest fire spreads at a tremendous speed. Next, landslides, building collapse. The vibration in the earth's crust result in an earthquake. These vibration can cause collapse of buildings. If inferior material is used in the construction, then too there is a chance of collapse of building. Due to excessive rain or cloud bursting, landslides can take place. Next is storms. The formation of high and low air pressure belts in the atmosphere causes changes in weather resulting in strong winds or storms. Next is earthquakes. Movements in the interior of the earth release tremendous amounts of energy. This causes seismic waves leading to movements of the earth's surface like tremors, shaking, cracking up, etc. Such vibration or quaking in the earth's crust is known as earthquake. Next question, answer the following questions. A. What is meant by disasters? Answer, a sudden event that causes large-scale damage to life, property and social aspects of a nation or society is called a disaster. B. What are the types of disasters? Answer, disasters are of two types, natural disasters and second man-made disasters. Next question. What is meant by disaster management? Answer, taking proper steps to prevent disasters and making plans to face the likely disasters and developing the capacity of tackling such situations is called disaster management. Next, which are the main components of disaster management? Answer, planning and executing these plans in case of disasters are the main components of disaster management. Next question. Suggest remedial measures for dealing with natural or man-made disasters. First, fire. If there is a fire, call fire brigade immediately. However, initially, fire extinguishers can be used to put out fire. Next, building collapse. Immediate efforts are to be done to save people. Fire brigade should be called. First aid is to be given to the injured people. Third, road accident. The accident victim should be immediately taken to the hospital or dispensary. Inform police. Immediately try to help victim. Next, flood. Before the flood rises, people and animals should be safely removed from there. One should carefully listen to the news and forecasts of the meteorological department and act accordingly. Helps others to rescue the people. Next, war. War usually takes place at borders, but their effects are on entire nation. Follow the orders of the police force and other agencies helping us for our safety. We should not believe in rumors. Next, bomb explosion. We should not touch any unattended articles seen in public places. If any suspicious activity is seen in our area, we should immediately inform the police. In case of calamity of bomb explosion, we should help the injured people. Next, earthquake. Due to advances in scientific studies, the warnings about the earthquakes are given in advance. We have to be ready for such disaster before so that damage to life and property can be reduced. Next, deluge. The meteorological department gives warning about deluge that is likely to occur in near future. We should be away from river banks and low-lying areas in such cases. People residing in such areas should be shifted before the calamity strikes. Next, storm. Advance warning about storms are also given to the people before this calamity strikes. Large trees are uprooted in such areas in such cases. Therefore, care should be taken not to take shelter under such trees. One should remain in safe places. Next, tsunami. The waves of tsunami can cause great damage, especially to the coastal regions and on the islands. Therefore, avoid such areas and one should go to safer place. Next is drought. During drought, the food and water are scarce. Therefore, these basic necessities are provided from other areas. The drought-prone people and animals and cattle are brought to the camps and are taken care of. And next is landslide. Landslide may be caused due to excessive rains or cloudbursts. In such situations, stay away from the regions which may have threat of landslides. So, these are your question answers.